Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel once again. I'm your host Jojo, and today I'm going to talk about the price action for today on Gbpusd daily time frame. So this is all about how I discover my buyers for today. Although I got stopped out due to I got break even today. So the reason is you're going to find out. So let's dive in. So alright, so yesterday was close bearish, so today we're expecting to close further bearish. So our daily buyers for today is bearish. So what are we going to be doing for? We are actually going to be sticking to the bearish trend. So what we do now is I just have to go to the 4 hours to get on to see our trade. So this is the 4 hour time frame. As you can see that there's the bearish trend is still showing, price still taking out lows upon lows. So what happened? This was the closing of yesterday candle, and this is the opening. And here's the 7 a.m. This is a manipulation of the candle. So majority might have gone into this trade to look for buy, but since our buyers is bearish, we are going to wait for a bearish signal. So what happened is I waited for this price to give me a bearish signal and reach a call here. Now there are two things that always do happen. Sometimes the price might have swept, the 3 o'clock might have swept the 4 hours high, the closing candle, and let the 7 o'clock start dropping. Now what happened? Price engulfed the 7 o'clock candle. So for us to get on a quick entry, since we have discovered this, for us to get on a quick entry, for us to just hopefully we can place our sell stop here. We expect the price to come and trigger us in and go. Why? Because immediately this candle closed, we saw the opening of this candle and see how price has been retracing so far. Then how are we going to discover this is by waiting on the time frame, the 15-minute entry, to wait for the moving average to cross. And as you can see, the moving average crossing, taking out lows. For you to get on the trade, you can get on the trade here. Immediately that cross, you can just go in on the trade. But in another way around, there are sometimes, because the market always do print two types. There are sometimes the market won't act like that. It will just have to break below, and then you allow it to close and follow the sell. But this one that happened today was the price. I saw the price, due to my years of experience, I saw the price taking out this low and the moving average that crossing, and the trend has been bearish. So I respect that trend that is forming on the 15-minute time frame. And what I did was I had to get on this trade. I got on this trade. I'm going to trade somewhere here. This was where I got on this trade, and I was on break even. So the price eventually came in and took me out for a break even trade. So one thing you need to understand is that just make sure you always follow the trend. If the bias is bearish, make sure that all your setup and your entry should be mainly on a bearish trend, not going against the trend. If there is no bias to trade on, then it's best for you to stay clear from the market and wait for further instructions before you can go in. But mainly, if there's no bias, I bet you just have to just stay out of the market and find something else to do. But right now, our expectation for tomorrow is still bearish. If this candle closed like this, then we're still going to go more bearish. As you can see, the weekly, you can see that's the closing of the week. So there's high time for us to have this sell coming up. So guys, watch out. I'll be posting more of the trade for tomorrow. So with this, you can get more understanding of the daily buyers. Alright, so have a safe trading day and God bless you.